Hi everyone, here at Mathemat we do maths tutorials to help you improve and better understand your maths. Please like and subscribe for more content. Today we're going to look at timesing fractions as well as dividing fractions using the stay, change, flip method. Alright, let's look at an example. So when timesing two fractions together, it's actually fairly straightforward. We actually times the two numerators together, meaning we times the two top numbers together, and then we times the two denominators together, meaning we times the two bottom numbers together. So in this example, we would do 2 times 4, and then do 3 times 7 on the bottom of the fraction. And 2 times 4 gives us 8, 3 times 7 gives us 21. And we look to see if we can simplify, but we can't simplify this one. So looking at a second example, if we did 1/4 times 2/3, we'd do the same thing. We'd times the two top numbers together, and we would times the two bottom numbers together. So we'd have 1 times 2 over 4 times 3, which gives us 2 over 12. And both those numbers can be divided by 2, so it will be 1 over 6 in the simplified form. So for dividing, we need to remember 3 keywords: stay, change, flip. And these words are going to allow us to turn any divide problem into a much easier times problem. So, if we look at an example, if we have 1/3 divided by 1/4, we are going to keep the third the same, or it's going to stay. We are going to change the divide symbol to a times symbol, and we are going to flip our final fraction 1/4. So it will end up looking like 1/3 times 4 over 1. And now it's our times multiplication, where we do top times top, bottom times bottom. And it becomes nice and easy to work out that this is 4 over 3. So 1/3 divided by 1/4 is 4 over 3. Now let's look at another example. If we have 2 divided by 7 divided by 4 over 5, we are going to keep or make the 2 over 7 stay the same. We are going to change the divide symbol to a times, and we're going to flip 4 over 5, so it becomes 5 over 4. So this will look like 2 over 7 times 5 over 4. And we can see that this will become 2 times 5 on the top, doing top times top, and 7 times 4 on the bottom, meaning that it is 10 over 28. Now 10 over 28 we can see can be divided by 2 on both the numerator and the denominator. So we can simplify this down to be 5 over 14. And our answer for 2/7 divided by 4/5 will be 5 over 14. I hope this has helped you with your timesing of fractions and your dividing of fractions and using the stay, change, flip method. Please like and subscribe. Bye.